Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong said that the revenue generation of the Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited MEECL may touch Rs 100 crore monthly. Speaking to reporters, Tinsong said the MEECL is spending over Rs 150 crore monthly against a revenue generation of Rs 75 crore. Tinsong said that the corporation has to also clear its outstanding dues on a monthly basis as the state still has to purchase power from different CPSUs. The Deputy Chief Minister said as of now the government has from time to time bailed out the MEECL. However, all these issues are being seriously examined.
Monthly MEECL spending about 150 crores monthly. Revenue generation is about 75 crores, which means 50% deficit. Okay, so now why time and again ultimately government has to bail out? When situation comes, government has to bail it out. Why? Because as I said to you, if the revenue generation monthly is only 50%, what you spend? So how do we survive? It's very difficult.
As many as 64 vendors have suffered big loss due to the massive